Welcome to Top 3 Hotels. Number 3. Hôtel Alfred Sommier. Paris's Hôtel Alfred Sommier is located 650 meters from the Opéra Garnier and 800 meters from Galeries Lafayette. Since 1860, the Sommier family has owned the hotel, which provides suites and rooms with antique furnishings and marble baths. The majority of the rooms at Hôtel Alfred Sommier have high ceilings and big windows, and the top-floor accommodations have views of Parisian landmarks and roofs. Visitors can unwind in the garden when the weather is nice. A 10-minute stroll will take you to Place de la Concorde and the Champs-Élysées, while the Louvre Museum is 1.3 kilometers away. You can check the prices and more information about this hotel on video the description. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. We really need your support. Number 2. Hôtel du Louvre in the Unbound collection by Hyatt. This 5-star hotel is in the center of Paris and has luxurious guest rooms in a Haussmannian-style structure. It underwent a complete renovation in 2019 and has a concierge and a tour desk with ticket assistance. The bright, air-conditioned guest rooms of the Hôtel du Louvre in the Unbound collection by Hyatt are decorated in a distinctive manner and include free Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and a minibar. Most apartments include views of well-known Parisian monuments, and every room has a private bathroom, some of which are marble decorated. 2 minutes will get you to the Palais Royal metro station, which gives you access to the Champs-Élysées and the Place de la Bastille. The Hôtel du Louvre is part of the Unbound collection by Hyatt. If you want to find the cheapest possible flight tickets, you can find it on binexavia.com. You can find the link below. Binexavia will save you money and time. Number 1. InterContinental Paris Le Grand, an IHG hotel. Only 30 meters separate InterContinental Paris Le Grand from the Opéra Garnier and Opéra metro station. It has a health club with a sauna and massage services, as well as 2 restaurants. Internet connectivity and satellite and cable TV are provided in Le Grand guest rooms. A view of the Opera House is another perk of some accommodations. The restaurant La Verrière offers a continental breakfast each morning. Traditional dishes are served at Café de la Paix in season. The renowned department store Galeries Lafayette can be reached by foot from the hotel in about 5 minutes. 1 kilometer separates you from the Avenue des Champs-Élysées. We hope this video was helpful for you. Please check the video description and there you will find the hotel prices and descriptions. You can find the cheapest flights, affordable transfer services, car rentals, and more.